Welcome to this algebra lesson on solving geometry word problems. Today, we are going to focus on perimeter and area. Specifically, how to use formulas to work backward and find unknown dimensions like length or width. First, let's make sure we clearly understand the difference between perimeter and area. Perimeter is the total distance around the outside of a shape. Imagine you are walking along the edge of a fenced yard. That distance is the perimeter. Area, on the other hand, is the amount of space inside a two-dimensional shape. Think of this like the amount of paint you would need to cover a wall. To solve these problems, you need to memorize a few key formulas. For a rectangle, the perimeter is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. The area is simply the length multiplied by the width. For a square, because all sides are equal, the perimeter is 4 times the side length, and the area is the side length squared. Here is a simple 4-step strategy to handle any word problem. First, identify the shape mentioned and write down the values you know. Second, choose the correct formula based on whether the problem asks about area or perimeter. Third, substitute your known numbers into that formula. And finally, solve the equation to find the missing variable. Let's try an example. The problem states that the area of a rectangular garden is 120 square feet. The width is given as 8 feet. Our goal is to find the length. Start with the area formula for a rectangle, which is area equals length times width. We know the area is 120 and the width is 8, so we write 120 equals length times 8. To get the length by itself, we divide both sides by 8. 120 divided by 8 gives us 15. So, the length is 15 feet. Now let's try a problem involving perimeter and some algebra. The length of a rectangle is 3 times its width. The perimeter is 48 centimeters. We need to find the specific dimensions. We use the perimeter formula. P equals 2 times length plus 2 times width. We know the perimeter is 48. Since the length is 3 times the width, we can replace L with 3W. This gives us the equation. 48 equals 2 times 3W plus 2W. Simplifying this, we get 48 equals 6W plus 2W, which combines to 8W. Dividing 48 by 8, we find that the width is 6 centimeters. Since the length is 3 times that, the length is 18 centimeters. Here is a tricky one that requires 2 steps. The perimeter of a square is 36 meters. The question asks us to find its area. Notice we are given perimeter, but asked for area. Step 1 is to find the side length. We know the perimeter of a square is 4 times the side length. So, 36 equals 4s. Dividing by 4, we find that the side length is 9 meters. Now for step 2. To find the area, we take that side length and square it. 9 squared is 81. So, the area is 81 square meters. To wrap up, remember that perimeter is the distance around, while area is the space inside. Always write down what you are given. Set up your formula carefully, substitute the values, and solve for the unknown x, and always double-check that you have included the correct units in your final answer.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.